could have faded away, they live forever. But we all got to go 6 feet under. Birds that fly high, none of them ever touch the sky. Birds that fly high, you gotta fly back down to ground. So clap your wings and fly. You could never touch the sky. And don't care how high you fly, you gotta fly back down to ground. Birds that fly high, you gotta fly back down to ground. You remind me a lot of the vultures flying in your private jets and helicopters. At the expense of the poor, you built the castle. After using us, you're giving us the hustle. You feel you are so protected up in orbit. You don't know you're just another flying target. Birds that fly high, none of them ever touch the sky. Birds